This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. So today we're going to take a look here at gold and silver. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, not the ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have gold on your daily chart, okay? So realistically right now what you have here is you got sideways action. So on the downside, you want to watch this key 8 SMA here. You're sitting at 1923.70. Now, if that is lost, then we look to the candle here. You're looking at 1915.40, and then we have 1908.50, and then your big retest here is 1900. Now, again, if that price channel is lost, your 200-day is sitting right down here at 1867, and that would be the target. All right, so on the upside here, we want to watch, again, this key 21-day. See how this 21-day is? See that? Where the price, yeah, it's spiked up, but you can't close above. That's going to be very, very key resistance. So you want to look at 1941. That is going to be your key resistance levels. Now, if you can get above, then we have a nice target here of your 100 SMA here, sitting at 1955. And then we have your 50-day at 1973. And then we have a nice retest there at 1987. So basically here on your daily, just watch the key 21 here on the upside and watch your 8 SMA here on your downside. Now let's take a look here on the weekly and a monthly chart. All right, here we have a weekly chart. Well, pretty much the same thing. I don't like how this, see how this 8 SMA here crossed below your 21-day. That's never really a good sign. And if you look at the 8 SMA here, see how all the candlesticks are below it. It can't get through. So you have to look at that as key resistance now at 1949. And then we look here on your 21-day at 1960. That is going to be a really another strong resistant level. And then if you can get above, then we just keep looking to the top of these candles all the way and up till you get your big retest here at 2085. But let's not get too excited, because first of all, you got to get through this 8 SMA here and that 21 SMA. So here on your monthly chart, well, your key level here is going to be this 8 SMA here. Let me big that up a little bit. Okay, so you want to watch 1929, okay? That is going to be very, very key support level, and then you could come all the way down to the 21 at 1849 if it sells right on off. But you see here how you had top, and then you had a lower high, and it just tried to get through, and it just could not get through. So now she's coming on down. So watch the key levels here. Watch these SMAs here on your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. All right, let's take a look here at see what silver's doing. Okay, silver's doing a little bit better, but it's faring pretty good. Okay, so now if you take a look at this 200 SMA here, okay, see how nice it's holding there? Now you're sitting at 2263, okay? But you see how nice it's holding all the way on up here. Okay, so the key is going to be this 21 SMA right there. Okay, sitting at 2332. Now you have to get above. If you can, then we have a target here at your 100 SMA sitting at 2349, and then above that here you have 2394, and then your big retest there is at 2462. Now on the downside, you want to watch that 8 SMA here. See at 2308, and then if you can't, if that doesn't hold, then you come right back down to your 200 SMA here at 2263, and then your big retest there is sitting at 2214. So let's take a look here on a weekly and on a monthly. Okay, on your weekly chart here, well, you know, it's pretty much the same thing here. What I don't like there, see how it goes rise on up, then pulls down. Rise on up, is it going to pull down again? So what you want to watch here on a weekly is watch this 2347. That's going to be very, very key resistance. If you can get higher, then we come over here to 2362. That would be a really good resistance. And then what we do, if it can close above, the key is going to be a close above, then you can go 2426. You had 2452 here, and then we have 2462, and then your big retest is up here at 26 63. Now on the downside, you want to watch this key 100 SMA here. You're sitting at 22.62, and then we have your 200 sitting at 22.31, and then your 50-day is right below that at 22.23. Now again, if this is all lost, if this is a bear flag, you see how that? If that is a bear flag and comes right on down, then you want to look here at this 1994. Now here on your monthly chart here, well, we got a lot of good resistance, a lot of support. So what you want to do on the upside is you want to watch that 8 SMA, 23.56. That's going to be very, very key. And then if you can get above, then we look at this candle here. Okay, you're looking at 24.62. And then we have the candle here. You're looking at 26.43. And then your retest is at 27.49. On the downside, you got some good support here. You got a nice, the 21-day sitting at 22.38. And then we have your 50 SMA here. You're sitting at 21.89, and then your 200 right below that at 20.24. Right now, for me, there just isn't anything really exciting here on the trade. Say, hey, I got to be in gold and I got to be in silver. But the easy way to trade this, if you're trading gold, is GLD. You can get in, get out. Same way with silver, SLV. Very easy way to get in and get out. All right. Thanks for watching.